When the fuck are they gonna make a motherfucking doorknob that goddamn acts? You can't fucking. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah! I hate you. I fucking hate you. Good morning, wherever the fuck you live at. I woke up this morning with some questions. Why should it be so hard to put a motherfucking doorknob in? A fucking doorknob. It's got 2 fucking screws. But what? They make it hard as fuck to get to the screws. Look at this shit. Y'all see this shit? Y'all see how hard this shit is? When the fuck are they gonna make a fucking doorknob that you don't have to fucking fight to get to the goddamn screw on the motherfucking handle? I hate you son of a bitch. You don't keep motherfuckers out of niggas' houses. I'm sure of that. I'm quite sure of that. You say kick resistance, motherfucker, ain't no goddamn kick resistance. A nigga shoot this motherfucker. We don't have fucking finger screwdrivers. They got gun control, bitch. See this goddamn shit. Damn, it's got to be that motherfucking hard? No, life shouldn't be that motherfucking hard. Life is harder than screwing a motherfucking screw in a goddamn door handle. Bitch. Below. All the women in the club. Low.